Hey, what's going on everybody? Today I want to go over another little tutorial with you, and I'm going to be using GoPro Studio 2.0, and I want to show you how to work with the 1440p video mode in your GoPro Hero 3 or GoPro Hero 3 Plus. So let's get started. So here I have three different video modes. I have 1080p, I got 1440p, and also 1080p Superview. Superview is only available on the GoPro Hero 3 Plus Black Edition. We're all familiar with 1080p, which is the resolution of 1920 by 1080. But now we have 1440p, which is a resolution of 1920 by 1440, which means it's more of a boxy aspect ratio compared to the 1080p, which is a 16 by 9 aspect ratio. The GoPro sensor is a 4 by 3 aspect ratio. When we use the 1080p resolution, the GoPro is cropping the top and bottom to make it a 16 by 9 aspect ratio. What I want to show you today is how to use the 1440p video footage to get it to look like the 1080p Superview footage. Like I said before, we're going to be using GoPro Studio 2.0, and I'm just going to import that 1440p video file into GoPro Studio. And I'm just going to check the advanced settings to see if it's using the source for the image size, which is 1920 by 1440. The frame rate is going to be 29.97, and I'm going to go with high quality. Now we're going to want to add it to the conversion list and click convert. Once that's done converting, we're going to proceed to the next step and drag that onto the timeline. The first thing you're going to notice is that it's not in a 4 by 3 aspect ratio. It doesn't have that boxy look to it. It's kind of zoomed in. In the GoPro software, there's a preset that's called 4 by 3 to wide. Now when we select this preset, it'll actually fix the video footage and make it look more like the 1080p Superview mode. Now it's no longer 4 by 3 aspect ratio, but 16 by 9 aspect ratio. Now what I want to do is export this video footage and compare it to the 1080p Superview footage. And what we'll see is that it's exactly the same. Alright, let's recap. So we went from the 1440p video footage looking like this, the 4 by 3 aspect ratio, and we converted it in GoPro Studio 2.0, and now it looks like this. What we can notice here is that the top and bottom is preserved. We don't lose that extra space on the top and bottom. But there is this slight disadvantage of Superview mode that you get the distortions on the left and right. You get that like crazy fisheye effect. So now let's just compare this 1440p converted video file to the 1080p Superview video file. So what we see is that the comparison between the two is very close. The only difference is that I did not shoot these two shots at the same exact time, which is why we're seeing a little bit of inconsistencies. For those of you that don't have the Superview feature on your GoPro, you might as well just use the 1440p video mode or the 960p video mode. Just follow the same exact steps and you'll get similar results to the Superview video mode. Now I want to do another quick test. I have two shots here, the 1440p and a 1080p shot. What I want to do with the 1440p shot is zoom in until the black bars on the left and right are gone, and then compare that shot with the 1080p shot. What we can notice is that there's a slight difference between the 1080p and the 1440p shot. The 1440p shot is slightly wider than the 1080p shot. You have a little bit more extra coverage on the top and bottom for the 1440p shot. So that's it. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, let me know in the comments below. If you have any requests for videos, just let me know. I might try to do them. But yeah, that's it. If you can just give me a like on this video, that would help me a lot. I definitely appreciate it. And I hope to see you in my next video.